Welcome to another episode of In Detail with Design Architects. This is a small renovation material palette, but it's clearly an add-on. At no point did anyone want to recreate the existing house. And now we've come upstairs. There is a small sitting room for grandchildren to play in when they're staying over at this residence. You've got beautiful views from the first floor. Again, their amazing art collection on the walls. We're coming into that family bathroom. Again, a really rich material palette in this instance. A really strong sort of wet area where the bath is in with the shower, which is always a great design solution. And then you can see those sort of feature mirrors and things. So there was nothing sort of integrated about this. The joinery, all the accessories all felt like additions rather than seamless. There's that front bedroom that overlooks the beautiful landscape yard. You could see the little Fisherman's cottage to the left out that front window. It did have built-in wardrobes placed in it for storage. A very neutral palette here again. There's that alfresco area on the ground floor, which just helps. The pergola really helps drop the height of that two-storey form, so it's not an overwhelming wall in that space, which is always a problem or can be a problem. Again, it was a design collaboration with Derbyshires. Thank you.